everyone, I'm Ivan. Today I'll show you how to make a jumping chick game in Scratch. Last time I showed how to make a rocket blaster game. First, delete the cat sprite. Then, click to choose a sprite and search chick. Then, drag a when green flag click block and make a new variable by clicking into the variables category and click on make a variable and name it gravity for this sprite only. And set gravity to 0 and position your chick. And go to motions, drag and drop go to XY. Then drag out a go to front layer by going to the looks category. Go to controls and drag out a forever loop. Go to variables, change and drag out change gravity by and set the value to -1. Go to motions and drag out a change Y by block and go back to variables and grab out the gravity variable and put it in the change Y block input. Click the green flag. As you see, the chick falls to the ground. But we need a resistance of that. So paint a new sprite and name it ground. And draw a rectangular floor. You can draw it any way you like. And drag a when green flag clicked and go to motions and drag a go to XY and set XY and put both to 0. And drag out a go to back layer. Click back into the chick sprite. Make a new block, name it Fix Collisions. Run without screen refresh. Under the Fix Collision block, drag out a if condition. And go to Sensings, drag out a touching block, and click the drop down menu and select ground. And go to controls, get a repeat until, and put it inside the if loop. Go to operators and drag out a not block. Then go to Sensings and drag out touching. Then select the drop-down menu ground. And go to motions and change Y by 1. And then go to my blocks and drag out Fix Collisions. Click the green flag, the chick falls to the ground. But the gravity variable is still going down. But it's okay for this time. Hide the gravity variable, then drag out a if condition. Then go to Sensings and grab a key space pressed. And click the drop-down menu and click up arrow. Go to operators, drag out an AND operator, and put the up arrow on the left and drag the and into the if condition, and go to sensings and drag out the touching block and select ground, and go to variables and set gravity to 10 or 17. Drop that before the fix collisions custom block. And as you see, if you press the up arrow, the chicks jump. Chick jumps up. Click to the Scratch library and choose a new sprite. And search egg. And drag out a when green flag clicked and go to looks and hide the sprite. And go to controls and drag out a forever loop. And go down a bit and drag out create clone of myself. Then drag out wait 1 second and go to operators and put a pick random lock inside wait input and set to 1.3 to 2 seconds. Go to controls and drag out when I started the clone. Go to looks, show, then go to go to XY, drag out go to XY block, and set your spawn position of the egg. Then go to controls and drag out repeat until. Go to operators and drag out less than. Go to motion, drag out X position and put it on the left side of the less than block. And on the right side, put negative 235. And inside repeat until, change X by -5. And go to controls and put delete these clones at the bottom. And click the green flag. As you see, there is eggs coming from the side of the screen. What we will do if the chick touched the egg. Click into the chick sprite and go to controls and drag out a if condition. And go to sensing and drag out touching. And select the drop down menu and select egg. Go to controls and simply stop all. Click the green flag and press the up arrow while in the ground and try to dodge as many eggs as possible. Let's make a noise when we jump. Click into the sounds and click choose a sound and search jump. And in the chick sprite, in the up arrow check, just put a start sound jump just before the set gravity to 17. Let's also add a backdrop. Click into the backdrop sprite, backdrop, and choose a backdrop. I will pick blue sky or forest. And let's see how it works. Please subscribe to my channel, Your Fix for Study, if you enjoyed the video, and like the video and turn on the notification.